Okay, guys. We're under a tornado warning. Yep. You can hear everyone trying to get in the houses. There's a tornado warning issued for Union County and Madison County. The reason why you hear Dublin sirens going off, not Franklin County, is because Dublin sirens will go off if a warning is issued for Franklin, Delaware, or Union County. So that's why they're sounding off. Franklin County sirens are silent right now. But if Franklin County ends up getting a tornado warning, then they'll probably sound too. The sirens are going off in whale signal. I am using my waterproof camera because my iPod does not want to work. Right now it's about 3:30 p.m. Today is Sunday, July the 27th. Okay, the sirens just sounded up again. It's raining right now. I also just heard some thunder. There is a rainbow in the sky. Might be a little hard to see. It's right there. It's starting to fade. The rain is calming down now. But it's still kind of thunderstorming. I recently saw some lightning that wasn't too far away. That was fairly close to us. See, that was thunder you just heard. The storm is not quite over yet, but I think it's getting close. And of course, I'm going to show you guys what's going on the west side. Sun's out, of course. This is where I saw lightning. It's looking good out in the west. South looks kind of severe. South looks kind of bad. It's about 8:45. The sun's right here. Again, it's looking good in the west. I'd say it's about partly cloudy in the west. North isn't looking too bad. I'd say the north is like mostly cloudy or something. The east looks kind of cloudy. And the west side, again, looks pretty bad. Looks kind of bad. I think the rainbow is almost gone. You can see some of it. You can still see some of it right there. But other than that, it's starting to fade. It's starting to go away. I'll see if I can get a lightning shot from over here. Real quick. I'm not seeing any lightning, but I hear thunder. Thanks for watching.